Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault. I'm also the author of My Journey to the Fountain of Youth, and it's a book that has a lot of great tips on how to look and feel as young as possible as you age. And I'll put in the link in the description below on how you can get that book. And today, I'm going to go over my wife's recipe. It's a very healthy recipe and a very delicious recipe for shrimp and cauliflower stuffed eggplant. So, stay tuned. Okay, so that's my wife Robin in the background there. Robin, you're going to show them how to make this?
Yeah.
All right, here we
So
go.
I posted a recipe the other day for eggplant stuffed with shrimp and cauliflower rice, and I'm making it tonight, and I'm going to take you through the steps on how to make it. So follow along. So I'm supposed to cut this and hollow it out like a ½ inch rim and bottom. So I'm just cutting like around a ½ inch like that, and then I'm taking a spoon. I did one already, it worked pretty well. So I'm just going to hollow out this. I'm trying to leave a bottom in there. I don't know how important that is, but I just want to leave a bottom in there. And then you save this because I'm going to chop it up. So it's okay. I have a little hole there, but I think it'll be fine. It's pretty good. So I'm going to continue to do that for the rest of these. So these are going to go in the oven now for 18 minutes at 450. And then I'm going to make the mixture with the shrimp and the cauliflower rice to stuff inside, and then I bake them again. So I'll show you that in next. Now I'm cooking these shrimp just till they turn pink on the outside, and then I'm going to put them aside and make the rest of the stuffing. Okay, so I cooked the shrimp till they were pink outside, and I removed them from the pan, and in the same pan I'm going to add, the rest of the olive oil. And then that eggplant, the flesh that I took out of those cups that are in the oven right now, they have another 7 minutes to go. So while that's still cooking, I am going to stir fry this eggplant that I took out from the middle of those cups, and I chopped it up, and then the cauliflower rice. And I'm going to stir fry this till it's tender. The recipe says about 2 minutes. So we'll see how long it takes. And then I'm going to add these scallions after the other mixture, the cauliflower mixture, gets tender. I'm going to add the scallions for another minute, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I stir fried the cauliflower rice with the cut up eggplant. And they said 2 minutes, but it actually took me more. I'm going to say it took me about 5 to 7 minutes for it to get tender. And then I added the scallions and cooked it for another minute or so. So now it says put it in a mixing bowl. Well, you can see my mixing bowl. So we just moved a month ago, and we didn't bring anything with us hardly. And the one thing I guess I didn't realize we didn't have was a mixing bowl. But I have a pot, and that'll do the trick. So I put that in. Now I'm putting my cooked shrimp in, the shrimp that I cooked till it was pink. I'm going to mix all that up. And I'm mixing that up with my ½ cup of low-fat plain green yogurt, Greek yogurt, not green yogurt, Greek yogurt. So I'm going to mix all this up in here. And then I am going to... I'm not going to keep you while I mix this up, and I'm mixing this all up. And this is going to be my stuffing for my eggplant cups. So as soon as I get this all mixed up real good, I'm going to stuff my eggplant cups right here. And then I'm going to top it with a half a cup of this Parmesan cheese. I'm going to sprinkle some on each one. And then I'm going to put it back in the oven at 450. I think it was for about 15 minutes. And I will show you the finished product. So here's the finished product. I had a little extra stuffing. You can see I just put it on the side of the pan and baked it. But it looks pretty yummy. I'm going to eat it in a couple of minutes. Not all of it, obviously. This is for so I'm going to have some in a minute, and I will let you know how it tastes, but it looks pretty good. I think it turned out pretty good. All right, so it's done, and I think it looks really, really good. So I'm going to taste it. Not bad. I think it was definitely worth the effort. So I would recommend it. It's the eggplants, or the shrimp stuffed eggplant. I posted it the other day. If you want the recipe, just let me know and I'll shoot it over to you.
Okay, well, I hope you liked that recipe. I know I did. It was very delicious and very nutritious, so it's a good way to eat something that tastes great, but also keep the weight at bay. And also, it also has a lot of protein in it, so it really helps the muscles grow and keeps the fat off. So that's what we're all looking for, I'm sure. So anyway, if you did like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and we'll give you more of this great content every week. Remember, every Thursday a healthy living video comes out, and every Sunday we have our vlog of living healthy in Cali. And so I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and also please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.